Okay, good day guys. Access Grinder here. Update tayo for today date, December 11, Wednesday. Start first with AXS. Current price $7.99. 8.32% increase within 24 hours. Punta tayo sa daily bounties. Standard board. Atia, 10 points is all good. Classic, win one battle, 35 points, all good. And Origins, 35 battles, all good. And then for this whole week, meron tayong 240 points with estimated earning of 0.1 for AXS. Meron na nga pala tayo, hindi pa natin nakukuha ito. AXS from last week. 0.6927, that's estimated of $5.55. Claim na natin yan. Okay. Screenshot. Okay, tapos punta tayo sa Premiere. Unfortunately, we don't have an access to Premiere yet because wala pa tayong kompletong ticket, no? Zero pa. Ayan. So, as you can see, meron tayong AXS na 0.69. So, stake na natin to. Screenshot muna natin. Okay, staking. Okay, so since nakuha na natin yung ating na farm last week, 0.69271 AXS, i-claim na rin natin tong naka-stake para ma-add. Okay, so nakuha na natin. So total earnings sa stake and sa farm last week, 0.915986. That's roughly around $7.34. So idadagdag natin dito sa naka-stake. Excuse me. Okay. So currently meron tayong 34.29818 AXS na may estimated earning at 274.74. So stake lang natin to hanggang sa next Wednesday. Kukunin ulit natin yung harvest and yung staking. So yun lang yung update. Thank you. Follow for more.